Congratulations! You've just purchased Mega Hot 1000, the hottest furnace in the known universe. Your Mega Hot 1000 has the heating power of 10 suns, comes with a lifetime warranty, and even makes hot chocolate and julienne fries. I'll bet you're ready to bask in her warmth right now. Then what are you waiting for? Pour in the fuel and fire her up. You do have fuel.
What a glorious day off from the Antarctic Corps. No pressures, no responsibilities, no fuel. Halt, civilian! You think you could just waltz over here and commandeer this fuel, do you? Well, you're wrong, son!
The Finders Keepers laws do not apply in this territory.
I have 1 day's R&R, and I have requisitioned this fuel for myself. Dismissed! What? You again?
Say there. Short stuff. No, sudden moves. Well, this thing could...
Halt in the name of the Antarctic Corps! Hold it right there! That is one military-issue combustibles container, and I cannot allow its transfer to non-military personnel without Form 5674 and 127 stroke K. In triplicate. You're a snappy dresser, but you're not too government savvy, are you? Hasta till next time.
I outrank you.
Who could that be? Yes?
Oh, a salesman.
You're selling a satellite dish that'll get this soldier 500 channels?
Perhaps no creature has adapted better to this cold climate than the penguin. Every day, these noble, flightless birds must use their wits to survive.
Hey! It's you again! Ah! Not on my watch, penguin! What do you have to say for yourself now? Oh, right. You don't talk. Lucky I remembered to borrow the platoon cookbook. Let's see. 800 onions, 50 pounds of salt, half ton of flour. Turn off stove. Kiss the fish. Okay, stand on 1 foot, cover your eyes, and count to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, gourmet cooking is hard. 9. I'll get it with you, big one.
I'll take that. And you get off that machine.
Now, shorty! No more! Take the can! Take it! Take everything! I'm going back to camp, ending my leave. If I get any more rest and relaxation,